Friends, today we will learn about Karl Marx's Historical Materialism. Karl Marx was a German philosopher, economist, and socialist who introduced a revolutionary theory about history and society known as historical materialism. According to Marx, the engine of history is economic production and class struggle. First, let's see what historical materialism is. Historical materialism is a theory developed by Karl Marx that explains how material conditions, particularly economic production, shape society, history, and social change. The central idea is that the way humans produce the necessities of life, food, shelter, clothing, etc., influences the structure of society and its cultural, political, and legal systems. Now, let's break down the main points of historical materialism one by one. First, the main point of historical materialism is economic production. According to Marx, the foundation of any society is its economic production. The resources we have, like land, labor, and capital, along with the relationships between those who own them, capitalists, and those who work, workers, determine how society is structured. Second, the main point of historical materialism is class struggle. Marx said that history is full of conflicts between different social classes with opposing interests. This constant struggle is what leads to changes in society. Third, the main point of historical materialism is surplus value. Marx argued that workers produce more value than they are paid for. This extra value is taken by the capitalists, leading to exploitation. Fourth main points of historical materialism is the collapse of capitalism. Marx predicted that capitalism would eventually collapse because of its contradictions. The ongoing class struggle would cause a worker revolution, leading to the end of capitalism. Fifth main points of historical materialism is communism. Marx believed a new system would emerge after capitalism, communism. In this society, there would be no classes, no state, and people would collectively own resources, living in harmony. Now, let's move to the importance of historical materialism. So, why is historical materialism important? Marx's ideas have deeply impacted fields like sociology, economics, and history. His theories have inspired political movements and revolutions around the world and even influenced many countries' economic policies. Now, let's see the criticisms of Marx's ideas. Like any theory, Marx's ideas have faced criticism. First, criticisms is that economic determinism. One common criticism is economic determinism. Marx is often criticized for putting too much emphasis on economics, neglecting other factors like culture or politics in shaping history. Second, criticisms is that exaggeration of class struggle. Some scholars argue that Marx exaggerated the importance of class struggle as the main driver of social change. Third, criticisms is that failure of communism. The failure of communism in the 20th century, in countries like the Soviet Union, has led some to question the validity of Marx's ideas. Despite these criticisms, Karl Marx's historical materialism remains a powerful tool for understanding history and society. His ideas continue to influence discussions in sociology, economics, and politics to this day. If you want to dive deeper into Marx's ideas, you can explore his key works like the Communist Manifesto and Capital, as well as concepts like dialectical materialism and class analysis. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you enjoyed learning with us today on All For You 91.